Laura Vallese. I come from Italy, and I'm a PhD student at the University of Padova and at the Construction Technologies Institute of the Italian National Research Council. I'm representing the project ECHO, which is a Horizon Europe project, and which stands for Efficient Compact Modular Thermal Energy Storage System. So I'm specializing on thermal energy storage for residential applications, in particular focusing on thermochemical and phase change materials, which are characterized by higher energy density compared to traditional systems. Thermal energy storage is a way of storing heat or cold when available and releasing it when energy demand increases. So you can think of it as a heat battery. For example, heat pumps can convert wind or solar power into heat, which can be stored for later use for space heating, cooling, or domestic hot water. These technologies are very important for a green energy transition because they help balancing the supply and demand of energy and integrating renewable energy sources, thus decreasing the dependence on fossil fuels. I decided to join the campaign because many people still think that science and engineering are men's fields. And this is reflected, for example, in Italy on the employment gap and on the number of women which actually graduate on STEM subjects, which is less than half of the men. And therefore, I think it's very important to provide young girls with examples of women which work in these fields to support and encourage them in pursuing this career, if they wish, of course.